Hello KG2, it's time to learn about the letter A. KG2, I hope you're all good. And today we're going to learn about the letter A. Now, first thing, don't forget to write your name on top. Teacher has already written her name on top right now. Now, what can we see? We see the letter A. Now, remember, the letter A is not a consonant, but it's a vowel. So vowels have two sounds. They have a short sound and a long sound. So let's say the letter A sound together. The short sound is A. 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 Very good. And the long sound is A. Very good. One more time. A. That's a long sound. So, on this picture, you can see there is an apple. The apple has the short sound apple, apple. Very good. Now, I would like you to color the apple. And remember, there are three kinds of apples. There are green apples, there are yellow apples, and there are red apples as well. So you can choose which color you would like to color your apples, okay? And again, I want you to look at the page and I want to show you this is the uppercase letter A. And these are lowercase letter A's. But we don't write like this. This is how you can see in many places. It's a lowercase letter A. But we're going to learn how to write this way. Okay, friends? You're doing great. Here is a fun game for us to play. We have to put an X on the pictures which look different, which means they don't look like the same. Now first let's look at the kites. There are three kites and the one on the right is different because look at its tail. It has red bows. The others don't. Alright, now I want you to look at the dogs and tell me which one looks different. That's right, the one on the left has a red collar on its neck. Very good. Now look at the boats and which one looks different to you? I think it's the one in the middle because it has a white sail on it. Alright, let's put an X. There you go. Okay, now let's go to the shoes. Which shoe looks different? I think this one's quite easy to see because it has heels on it. It has a heel. Alright, now the fish. This one's a little tricky, isn't it? Now look carefully and tell me which one looks different to you. I found it. It's the one on the right side because it has bubbles. Do you see that? Very good. The name's on top. And now we're going to write the uppercase letter A. Now remember the two sounds for letter A. Let's say the sounds again. The short sound is A. Very good. And the long sound is A. Well done. Now, how do we write the capital A? There are three writing lines as always. There is a top line, there is a middle line, and there is a bottom line. But we must always start the uppercase letters from the top line. So let me show you how. So we make a slanted line down, another slanted line down, and a sleeping line in the middle. That's how we write the uppercase letter A. Let's try one more time. Slanted line down, and sleeping line in the middle. One more time. Slanted line down, and a sleeping line in the middle. There we go. Now I want you all to trace all the letter A's over here with the lines, the dots, and I will show you how to write without any dots. So let's start from the black dot at the bottom, slanted line down, and sleeping line in the middle. Very good. One more time, darlings. Slanted line down, and sleeping line in the middle. Look at you. Very good. Now, most lowercase letters we start are from the middle line, right? So the lowercase letter A starts from the middle line too. Round, go round, and line. There we go. One more time, friends. Let me show you. Round and line. Round and line. There we go. Now I want you to trace all the lowercase letter A's here, and teacher will show you how to write it without any lines. Let's make round, darlings, and line. There you go. That's lowercase letter A. One more time. Round and line. There you go. Now at the very bottom, you have to trace both uppercase and lowercase letter A. Alright, now when you finish that, I want you to write the uppercase letter A. I'm going to show you again. Slanted line down again, and a sleeping line in the middle. Now lowercase a, round, and a line, darlings. Well done, everyone.